Hi, this is BlueGlobe27 and my name is Werner. Very excited about the new product which has brought onto the market called the ETE Budget Evolution budgeting tool. I would like to start with saying that budgeting is a tedious task and time consuming, and we've decided to make it easier for you. Okay, let's start. On the left hand side on this blue screen you see a list of general ledger accounts which represent all the general ledger accounts you have in Evolution. So these are not generic accounts, but whatever you have in Evolution will be displayed in column A. The blue section is your actual values extracted from Evolution, and you're more than welcome to go into Evolution and check them out, but that's a true reflection on your postings actual in Evolution. Looking at the screen, you may notice that it's fairly inconsistent because it's very difficult to budget on some values being posted in November, some in October, some in August, and there's absolutely no consistency in August, September, October, November. So for the purpose of this exercise, we want to eliminate them, and we're going to select not 12. I think I'm going to go back to 5. That suits me better. So now I have 5 actual columns from March to July, and that will give you a basis to work from. Again, my blue section is my actual values from Evolution. Moving across to the right, we have a white section that gives us our working area. Our working area simply allows us to take our previous actual figure and make amendments to it. For instance, we say that our sales were erratic and we had a sale of 19,105, which we know are not going to get, so we're going to remove 19,105, and our new annual total has now gone down to 800,000, which is 160,000 per month. And extrapolating that to 12 months would now be 1.9 million. I'm very happy with that. I've decided to have a 9% increase. If it doesn't suit me, I'm going to change that to 10%. And immediately the increase of 10% will reflect in our new value, because our 1.92 million has now gone to 2.11 million, which is the new value for the budget. In the new year, we know that we're going to have a sale with another 450,000 Rand, which is already in the sales pipeline, and we decide we're going to add that into our annual new budget, taking our new budget to 2.5 million. Comparing that to the previous year, just as a visual comparison, we see that we're well over the previous year, but that's nice to know. It's very cumbersome, time-consuming to look at the previous year budget and compare one GL account with another in Evolution, so we thought to make your life easier. We have added 450,000 Rand, and in order for us to remember, we're going to say here in pipeline for ABC. ABX suits me fine. So we make notes in this particular column to be able to remember what that 450,000 Rand was for. So we can do that for all our GL accounts, from the income to the expense to cost of sale to other income, whatever we have in our income statement. That concludes our white section. We now move on to our orange section. The orange section is very easy to explain. It takes your new budget, the annualized budget, and divides it by 12, and equally spreads it over 12 months for every general ledger that we have. Theoretically, we could just say validate and import, and we could import all those values. Our job is done, and we can move on to something else. However, that's not necessarily very practical because we may not have all our ducks in a row and say the cost of sale. We still have to have a look at, so we're going to skip this import. We're also going to skip the discount. We're going to adjust some other accounts. Advertising we know, commissions we know, but here we just add some skips into it because we're not ready to do those forecasts yet. So off we go, we press the validate button and we already have the option to update into Evolution. If we're happy, we press the yes button. If we're not happy, we say no, and we're going to amend it and say, well, I'm an expert ready for this one here, but I would like to skip this one here. We do another validate and we say okay, and we go into Evolution. Before, however, we do that, I'm going to move on to a green section which tells us what is in Evolution at the moment, and if you're paying close attention, that's actual already budgeted values in Evolution. If we change, you will see that our budget here is 213,500. Our budget that we had previously in Evolution is more like 178. If you do the update Evolution button, you will see that the Evolution will change. Validate and update. We say OK to that, and now it tells us it has successfully updated in Evolution. We say OK to that. We go to the far right, and you will now notice that all the values which were on 178,000 have now moved to 213. That, in essence, is our bulk update into Evolution. If at whatever stage you may have gone into Evolution and done your budget, in Evolution, you simply press the refresh Evolution button, and this particular green section will display your new value from Evolution. That is, from me, an impressive, quick, efficient way of budgeting via the ETE Easy Budgeting tool from Blue Globe 27. I hope you've enjoyed that. If you have any more questions, please email us or call us, and we're more than happy to do another presentation or give you a formal quote as to how much this will cost you. Thank you, and enjoy the rest of your day.